Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Daily English Talk,
The best place to practice your English
the best place to practice your English every single day.
every single day.
I'm Lily, and today we have a really fun topic.
I'm Tom, and I love this one.
Today we are talking about nature. Trees, rivers, mountains, animals.
Fresh air, green forests, blue skies.
If you love nature or if you just want to learn how to talk about it in English, you are in the right place.
And if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We upload a new episode every single day.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss a single lesson.
Okay, Lily, let's go.
But first, Tom, something happened to you last weekend, right?
Oh, yes. Something very, very interesting happened.
Tell us a little bit, just a little bit.
Okay, so I went to a forest, a beautiful, quiet forest, and then...
And then what?
I am not going to say the rest yet. You will find out at the end of the episode.
So here's your question for today. Tom went into a forest. What do you think happened to him there?
Was it something scary? Was it something funny? Was it something beautiful?
Write your guess in the comments right now. We want to know what you think.
Okay, let's start the lesson, but keep that question in your head.
Tom, do you spend much time in nature?
I really love nature, but honestly, I don't go outside enough.
Same. I sit in front of a computer all day.
But last weekend, my friend called me. He said, Tom, let's go hiking.
Oh, hiking. I love hiking.
Right? So we drove about 1 hour outside the city, and we found this beautiful trail through the forest.
What was it like?
The trees were so tall, the air smelled so fresh, and you could hear birds everywhere.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
It really was. I felt so relaxed. No phone, no noise, just nature.
That is so important. Being in nature is really good for your mental health.
Exactly. My friend hikes every weekend. He says it makes him feel like a new person.
Did you see any animals?
That is a very good question, Lily. A very, very good question.
You are keeping the mystery.
Just wait, just wait.
Okay, students, let's start learning some vocabulary today. Okay, before we go to our vocabulary, let's look at a little bit of grammar.
Today's grammar is very simple but super useful.
We are going to look at how to describe things in nature using adjectives.
Adjectives. What are adjectives?
Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a noun.
For example, the forest is dark. Dark is an adjective. It describes the forest.
Or, the river is cold. Cold is the adjective. It tells us about the river.
Or, the mountain is high. High describes the mountain.
Simple pattern. Adjective plus noun. Or, the noun is plus adjective.
Like this, a tall tree. Or, the tree is tall.
Let's practice together. I say the noun, you say an adjective.
Ready.
Forest.
Dark. Quiet. Beautiful.
River.
Fast. Clear. Cold.
Mountain.
High. Snowy. Steep.
Perfect. You are using adjectives like a pro.
Now let's go to the main vocabulary lesson.
Okay, today we have 8 nature words for you.
8 words, and each one comes with a story. Let's go.
Word number 1. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest.
A forest is a large area with many trees.
Repeat after me. Forest. Forest.
I love walking in the forest. The air is so clean.
Tom, do you have a forest near your house?
Not exactly near, but about 40 minutes by car, there is a big national forest. My family used to go there every summer when I was a child.
Aw, that is so sweet.
We would have a picnic under the trees, my mom would bring sandwiches, my dad would fall asleep on the grass.
That sounds like a perfect day.
It really was.
Word number 2, river. R-I-V-E-R. River.
A river is a long, flowing body of water. It moves from high places to lower places.
Say it with me. River. River.
Rivers are so beautiful and sometimes so powerful.
Do you have a story about a river, Tom?
Oh, yes. One time I tried to cross a river on some big rocks, like jumping from rock to rock.
Oh, no.
I missed one. I put my foot in the water. My whole shoe was soaking wet.
The whole shoe?
The whole shoe. And I had to walk for 3 more hours with one wet foot.
That is terrible.
I learned my lesson that day.
Word number 3, waterfall. W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L. Waterfall.
A waterfall is water that falls down from a high place, like a cliff or a rock.
Repeat. Waterfall. Waterfall.
Waterfalls are one of the most beautiful things in nature.
I agree. I saw a waterfall on my vacation last year. I just stood there and watched it for a long time.
Where was it?
It was in a national park. The water was white and blue, and the sound was incredible, like music.
That sounds amazing.
I took so many photos, my camera ran out of space.
A natural photographer. Word number 4, mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain.
A mountain is a very large, high area of land, higher than a hill.
Repeat. Mountain. Mountain.
Tom, have you ever climbed a mountain?
I tried once. The key word is tried.
What happened?
My friend said, it's easy, only 2 hours to the top. 2 hours, he said.
Oh my God, how long did it actually take?
5 hours, going up. And then I was so tired my legs were shaking on the way back down.
Poor Tom.
My friend was at the top, drinking coffee, waiting for me. He was so calm.
He was waiting with coffee?
With coffee. I arrived and I just sat on a rock for 20 minutes without saying a single word.
That is the most Tom story I have ever heard. Word number 5, wildlife. W-I-L-D-L-Y-F-E. Wildlife.
Wildlife means animals and plants that live in nature, not in a zoo or a house. In the wild.
Repeat after me. Wildlife. Wildlife.
Wildlife is one of the best things about going into nature.
I love seeing animals in their natural habitat, not in a cage, just free.
What is the most interesting wildlife you have ever seen, Lily?
Oh, one time I was hiking and I saw a deer, a real wild deer, just standing there looking at me.
What did you do?
I stood completely still. I did not move. I did not breathe.
You did not breathe?
Almost. And then the deer turned and walked slowly into the trees.
That is magical, really magical. Word number 6, trail. T-R-A-I-L, trail.
A trail is a path through nature. You walk on a trail when you go hiking.
Say it together. Trail. Trail.
Trails can be easy or very difficult.
I prefer easy trails. After the mountain experience, I like flat trails.
Smart decision.
Last weekend on my forest hike, the trail was flat and beautiful. There were wildflowers on both sides of the path.
Aw, how pretty.
My friend and I walked for about 2 hours. We talked, we laughed. It was a great day.
Did anything unusual happen on the trail?
Maybe something dead.
You and your mystery. Word number 7, sunrise. S-U-N-R-I-S-E. Sunrise.
A sunrise is when the sun appears in the morning. It comes up over the horizon.
Repeat. Sunrise. Sunrise.
Watching a sunrise in nature is one of the best feelings in the world.
I completely agree. The sky turns orange and pink and purple.
Do you wake up early enough to see sunrises, Lily?
Honestly, not always. But when I do, I never regret it.
Last month, I woke up at 5 in the morning. I went to a hill near the city, and I watched the sunrise over the valley.
That sounds beautiful.
It was absolutely breathtaking. I felt completely at peace.
Students, if you have never watched a sunrise, please try it. It is worth it.
100%.
Word number 8, calm. C-A-L-M. Calm.
Calm is an adjective. It means quiet, peaceful, not stressed.
Repeat after me. Calm. Calm.
Nature makes me feel very calm.
Me too. When I am in nature, all my stress disappears.
Why do you think nature makes people feel calm?
I think because there are no phones, no emails, no noise from the city.
Exactly. It is a break from our busy lives. Nature reminds us to slow down.
Scientists actually say that spending time in nature lowers stress. It's healthy for your brain and your body.
Really?
Yes, they call it forest bathing in Japan. You just walk slowly in the forest and breathe.
Forest bathing. I love that. I want to do that right now.
Me too, Lily. Me too.
Okay, time to practice. Let's repeat all 8 words together.
Listen first, then repeat. Ready?
Forest,
Forest,
river,
river,
waterfall,
waterfall,
mountain,
mountain,
wildlife,
wildlife,
trail,
trail,
sunrise,
sunrise,
calm.
calm.
Beautiful. Now let's do it one more time, faster.
Okay, here we go. Forest, river, waterfall, mountain, wildlife, trail, sunrise, calm.
Excellent work, students. Okay, let's quickly review today's vocabulary.
Word number 1, forest, a large area with many trees.
Word number 2, river, a long flowing body of water.
Word number 3, waterfall, water that falls down from a high place.
Word number 4, mountain, a very large high area of land.
Word number 5, wildlife, animals and plants that live in nature.
Word number 6, trail, a path through nature.
Word number 7, sunrise, when the sun appears in the morning.
Word number 8, calm, quiet, peaceful, not stressed.
8 words. You now know how to talk about nature in English.
And remember our grammar point. Use adjectives to describe nature.
The forest is quiet. The river is cold. The mountain is high.
Try making your own sentences. Practice makes perfect. Now here is your question for the comments section today.
We want to know, what is your favorite place in nature?
Is it a forest, a beach, a mountain, a river?
Tell us in English. Write in the comments below.
And if you want a bonus challenge, use an adjective.
Like, my favorite place is a quiet beach near my hometown. Can you do it?
We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
So go write your answer right now. We are waiting.
Okay, Tom, the moment is here.
Finally.
What happened to you in the forest last weekend?
Okay, so I was walking on the trail with my friend. Everything was peaceful. Birds singing, trees, fresh air.
And?
And I stopped to take a photo. I wanted to take a photo of a really beautiful tree.
That sounds nice so far.
So I stepped off the trail, just one step, to get a better angle.
Oh no!
I stepped right into a big muddy puddle.
No!
My whole foot, completely inside the mud, all the way up to my ankle.
Tom!
And my friend was there with his camera. He took a photo of me stuck in the mud instead of the tree.
He documented the whole thing?
He said, "This is better than the tree photo." And honestly, he was right. It was very funny.
So the wildlife survived and Tom did not.
The forest won that day, Lily. The forest won.
Thank you for sharing that story, Tom.
Hey, if my mistakes can teach you English, I am happy to suffer.
And that is our lesson for today, everyone.
We learned 8 nature words, we practiced adjectives, and we found out what happened to my shoe in the forest.
Both shoes survived in the end.
Chuckles. One of them needed a lot of drying.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to our channel. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every single day. Please tap the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We really appreciate every one of you. You make this channel special.
Keep practicing your English every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
You are doing amazing. We are proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.